but I think it's just a interesting common thing that happens is that companies change, people leave, come and go, have different priorities. Because each department needs to be scoped out, processes written for them, and a department somebody could be promoted into a department head, and then suddenly what they want to see out of a system or use a system changes.
Yeah.
So it is an organism, a living organism that you're trying to almost replicate into a different system, and that can be challenging.
Okay. That kind of just highlights the importance of processes. Like we also like to talk about the people, process, and technology. I mean, that just highlights how important that is. Because if perhaps if proper processes were in place, something like that could be avoided.
Could be. Typically, it depends on the maturity of the company. If you're more in the startup or SME space,
It gets difficult.
It's difficult to map those processes because, as I mentioned, things might change for you. You might get one big customer that suddenly changes the way that you need to do your packaging, and then suddenly your process changes. So yeah, it's an interesting space to be in. Obviously something we think about a lot and try and guide our customers through. A lot of our customers find a lot of value in that. The fact that we can help them processize, write down the processes, if they haven't done already, but also mold it to a new system or way of working, and collaborate on that, to get some successful implementations.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I found that quite fantastic. If you start filling a role that someone else has previously been in, and there's an SOP set up, a standard way of working, then you can just kind of get going where they left off, and that I find that extremely useful.
I mean, that's the thing that makes it the happiest if there are proper SOPs. I think that's a crucial part for any business. And just to make sure that you don't lose knowledge along the way.
Okay.
But also that people are confident in what they should be doing.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't want anybody to be unsure about what they should be doing. They should be focusing on doing what they should be doing well. Instead of trying to figure out what am I supposed to do. So I can't stress it enough. SOPs are crucial and golden for any business.